let it sit for 6 seconds, just get an eyeballing where we're at. You can leave your hand, I got it. So they're back here further? Well, that was backwards? No, that's right. I think you're...
When I was coming out, what's up, YouTube? Man, Sean, gonna do some stuff on our JKs today.
Howdy.
So, on our last event on New Year's, somehow he ruined his power steering pump. So I'm gonna do a PSC high pressure pump, and seems how my shit is leaking everywhere. We are going to do a big ass Kongdong PSC box and hydro assist. So I forgot to unbox it all, but I get the gist. Lots of shit. So let's see how this goes. It's been quite a few years since I've done any hydro assist stuff, so I'm assuming I'll be here today and tomorrow. Stay tuned. We pulled out the air box, sucked out the reservoir, and pull the pump right now. Pressure hose goes there. Power steering pump is out. Reservoir is out. I'm gonna put a bracket in for a reservoir. Pulley's coming out. So I undo these for the reservoir. I enlarged this hole 5/16. Not me. I love them. So, let's see here. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Why we have a 90 here? Guess we'll turn the reservoir a bit. Forgot to show, but you get a beat on that bitch with a hammer, get it undone. Or you can use a pickle fork, but then you ruin your boot. So this is a cooler. I did not see any lines or any videos on where to put this. PSC has no help from this, so we're gonna go here. And how we are gonna do that I made these. Kind of bolt. And then gonna weld. So here is the old piece of shit box. And boom. There's Big Bertha. It's Kong Dong. I think it'll handle 40s.
That was a good video. And cut.
Cut. That didn't happen. Oh my goodness. Don't try this at home. This is for very serious professionals only. I'll weld it in, ready to be painted. Getting ready for weldage. Here, help me out.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you wanted
That's not. I was just looking at tools.
tools. What kind of tools?
Here, there's a picture of you. It's recording right now.
Yeah, it is. See, it looks to get there. Just gonna put it all the way to the left. This is fully in with adjustability. This is adjustable, so I figure all the way to left, the way I've always done it. And then it can be adjusted out. So we're trying to see where our center of our steering is. Put it on jack stand. And we went to steer it, and it does not steer at all. Cannot move the steering wheel. And then we find that this coilover mount is hitting the joint going into the steering box. So I'm gonna yank that bolt, see if it's just the bolt that's too long or all of it. Keep you informed. So this is the bolt out of the clamp that goes to the front of the box, rear of the box. Yeah, I took it out, tightened it back up, the box back up, and it's not hitting anymore. So I'm just gonna shorten this little bolt. We'll be good. Now our other dilemma is that the bolt head is now hitting. So we're gonna have to notch that coil mount. So to fix our problem, found a stud in all of our stuff. Stud here, it's an M10Y 1.5. Cut it down to be the same as the old bolt. Found this ultra thin nut. And it works. I already put it in, tried it. I just pulled it out to the video. I'd rather talk to GoPro than talk to you.
I didn't see it until you're talking yourself.
Sean's gonna spin the wheel.
Wheels on the Jeep go around and round.
Look at that shit. Boom. Well, that was a pain in the ass.
You all, you're good. Let me know you're there.
Like all these people with cat shit going on all the time.
Jason is gay.
Not sure what to do yet. Hopefully Simon Parks will help me. We'll be doing that. We're gonna put that one in first. He's confused. Sexually. You can do it.
And if anybody is wondering why they call this a ram, you can tell by the horns on top.
So stupid.
But it's funny. See if Corky can get his fingers in there to get it tightened up. There he goes.
So we are complete. If you're wondering, which they don't say anywhere, but I can see, right hand side, rear inner box, left hand side, front outer box. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, so we can get this out more and do some more wheeling and let people know what it's like here. Thanks.